underscore rank. 4. Running sales total. Hint. Sum over. 5. Rolling 7-day sales average. Hint. Use. Average. Over. With a window frame. Common mistakes. Crossmark confusing rank and dense underscore rank. Crossmark forgetting partition by. Crossmark omitting order by in ranking functions. Crossmark using group by when you need row level output. Practice problems. Rank employees by salary. Rank employees within departments. Find the second highest salary. Calculate month-over-month growth. Calculate running sales. Calculate rolling averages. Find the first purchase by each customer. Find the previous order date. Divide customers into quartiles. Find the top 3 products by category. Window functions versus group by. Group by. Window function. Summarizes data. Preserves all rows. 1 row per group. 1 row per original record. Used for totals. Used for rankings, comparisons, running totals. FANG interview framework. When you encounter a window function problem. Business question. Need row-level results? Choose partition by. Choose order by. Choose window function. Test for ties and null values. Validate business output. Homework, FANG practice. Using an orders table with order ID, customer ID, region, sales, order date. Write SQL queries to rank customers by sales within each region. Find the top 5 customers in each region. Calculate cumulative sales by date. Calculate month-over-month sales growth. Find each customer's previous order date. Find each customer's next order date. Divide customers into 4 spending quartiles. Find the first order placed by each customer. Calculate a rolling 7-day average of sales. Identify the top 10% of customers by total sales. Next module, Module 9, Advanced SQL, CTEs, Recursive CTEs, Gaps and Islands, Cohort Analysis, Funnel Analysis, and Query Optimization, where you'll learn the advanced SQL patterns commonly used in senior data analyst roles. SQL for Data Analysts, Module 9, Advanced SQL, CTEs, Recursive CTEs, Cohort Analysis, Funnel Analysis, Gaps and Islands, Query Optimization. This module covers the advanced SQL concepts commonly used in senior data analyst roles and frequently tested in FANG interviews. Part 1, Common Table Expressions, CTEs. First principles. Imagine a complex query with multiple subqueries. Instead of writing select, select, again and again, you create a temporary named result. That is a CTE. Syntax. With sales summary as select. Customer ID. Sum, sales, as total sales. From orders. Group by customer ID. Select asterisk. From sales summary. Why CTEs? Advantages.
Easier to read. Easier to debug. Reusable. Better organization. Interview example. Find customers spending above average. With customer sales as
select. Customer ID. Sum, sales, as total sales. From orders. Group by customer ID. Select asterisk.
from customer sales. Where total sales. Select average total sales from customer sales. Part 2. Recursive CTE. Used for hierarchical data.
Example.
Employee table.
Employee.
Manager. CEO.
Null.
Manager. CEO.
Employee.
Manager. Recursive CTE. With recursive org chart as.
Select asterisk.
From org chart. Business uses. Organization charts. Folder structures. Product categories. Bill of materials. Part 3. Cohort analysis medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star. Very common at Amazon, Google, Meta, Netflix. What is a cohort? A cohort is a group of users sharing a common characteristic.
Example.
All customers who signed up in January. Business question. How many are still active after 30 days?
Example.
Sign up month. Month 1. Month 2. Month 3.
Jan. 100%. 72%. 61%. February. 100%. 75%. 65%.
Business insight. Retention is improving. SQL steps. Find first purchase. Group users by sign up month. Track future purchases. Calculate retention. Part 4. Funnel analysis medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star. One of the most common product analytics questions. Suppose users follow this path. Homepage. Search. Product. Cart. Checkout. Payment. Business asks. Where are users leaving? Example. 1000 users. 800 searched. 500 viewed product. 300 added cart. 150 purchased. Conversion. Homepage search.
80%.
Search product.
62.5%.
Product cart.
60%.
Cart purchase.
50%.
Business insight. Checkout is losing to many users. Part 5. Gaps and islands medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star medium wide star. Very famous interview topic. Example. Order numbers.
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16,
Gap.
4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Island.
1, 2, 3,
Another island.
7, 8, 9.
Business uses. Consecutive login days. Consecutive purchases. Machine uptime. Attendance tracking. Part 6. Sessionization. Used by Google, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon. Business problem. If a user is inactive for more than 30 minutes, start a new session. Solution. Use
Luck.
and date diff. Part 7. Event sequence analysis. Example. Login. Search. Product. Card. Payment. Questions. Previous event. Next event. Time between events. Where do users exit? Use.
Luck. Lead.
Part 8. Query optimization medium white star medium white star medium white star medium white star medium white star. Imagine. Query takes 40 seconds. Manager asks, can you improve it? Rule 1. Never use.
Select asterisk.
Instead,
Select. Customer ID.
sales.
From orders.
Rule 2. Filter early. Where? Before aggregation where possible. Rule 3. Use indexes wisely.
Useful for.
Where? Join. Order by. Rule 4. Avoid unnecessary distinct. Rule 5. Reduce joins. Join only needed tables. Rule 6. Read execution plans. Look for table scans, expensive sorts, costly joins, missing indexes, Fung interview questions.
Q1.
Difference between CTE and subquery. Answer. CTEs improve readability and support recursion.
Q2.
What is cohort analysis? Tracking user behavior over time based on shared starting characteristics.
Q3.
What is funnel analysis? Finding where users drop off during a multi-step process.
Q4.
What are gaps and islands? Problems involving missing sequences, gaps, and continuous sequences, islands. Q5. How do you optimize SQL? Select only required columns. Filter early. Use appropriate indexes. Optimize joins. Review execution plans.
Practice problems.
Build customer cohorts by sign-up month. Calculate day 30 retention. Calculate conversion for every funnel stage. Find consecutive login days. Find missing invoice numbers. Build user sessions. Analyze event sequences. Optimize a slow reporting query. Find employees in an organization hierarchy. Calculate rolling customer retention. Advanced SQL patterns every data analyst must know. Pattern. Use case. CTE. Complex queries. Recursive CTE. Hierarchies. window functions, rankings and trends, cohort analysis, retention, funnel analysis, conversion, gaps and islands, consecutive events, sessionization, user sessions, event sequence, customer journeys, query optimization, performance, Elite SQL interview framework. For advanced SQL problems, think like this. Understand business problem. Understand tables. Identify relationships. Choose SQL pattern. Write query. Validate output. Optimize performance. Explain business insight.
Homework, Fang practice. Using these tables.
Users, user ID, sign up date, country. Orders, order ID, user ID, order date, sales. Events, user ID, event name, event time.
Write SQL queries to.
Build monthly customer cohorts. Calculate 30-day retention. Calculate funnel conversion rates. Find users with 7 consecutive login days. Identify missing order IDs. Create user sessions with a 30-minute inactivity rule. Find the previous and next event for each user. Find the top 10% of customers by lifetime sales. Optimize a slow sales report query. Explain the business insights from each analysis. Next module, Module 10, SQL Case Studies, Amazon, Netflix, Uber, Google, Meta, Airbnb, where you'll solve complete end-to-end business problems using SQL exactly as a professional data analyst would. SQL for Data Analysts, Module 10, End-to-End SQL Case Studies, Fun Level. This module teaches you how professional data analysts use SQL to solve real business problems at companies like Amazon, Google, Meta, Uber, Netflix, Airbnb, Flipkart, and Swiggy. The goal is not just to write SQL, it is to answer business questions with data. Case Study 1, Amazon Sales Analysis. Business problem. The sales director reports. Revenue dropped by 15% this quarter. Orders remained stable. Question. Why did revenue decrease? Tables. Orders. Vertical bar order ID, vertical bar customer ID, vertical bar product ID, vertical bar order date, vertical bar quantity, vertical bar sales, vertical bar products. Vertical bar product ID, vertical bar category, vertical bar cost, vertical bar customers. Vertical bar customer ID, vertical bar region, vertical bar. Step 1, monthly revenue.
Select.
Date underscore trunk, month, order date, as month. Sum, sales, as revenue.
From orders.
Group by date underscore trunk, month, order date. Order by month. Step 2, revenue by category.
Select. Category.
Sum, sales, revenue. From orders O. Join products P. On O dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID.
Group by category.
Step 3, revenue by region.
Select.
Region.
Sum, sales.
From orders O. Join customers C. On O dot customer ID is equal to C dot customer ID.
Group by region.
Business insight. Revenue decline came mainly from the electronics category in the South region. Case Study 2 Netflix User Retention. Business problem. Users cancel subscriptions after 1 month. Tables. Users. Viewing history. Subscriptions. SQL. 30-day retention.
Select.
User ID. Min, login date, first login. From login history. Group by user ID. Calculate return rate. Business insight. Users watching less than 60 minutes in week 1 have much lower retention. Case Study 3 Uber Ride Analytics. Business problem. Ride cancellations increased. SQL. Cancellation rate.
Select.
Status.
Count asterisk.